Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if in your system volume automatic changes or volume automatic resetting on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, volume automatic changes, then here are the fixes. Open control panel in your system and here go to sound options. Click on sounds. A new window will open. Here go to default device. Right click on it and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to advanced options and disable, uncheck the option enable audio enhancements. If you found it checked, then uncheck this feature and click on apply and OK to save the changes. On the same Windows, go to communications from the top menu bar and here when Windows detects communications activity, here make the check against option do nothing. Four option you will find: mute all other sounds, reduce the volume and reduce the volume of other sounds by 50% and 80%. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The one more workaround is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Here in device manager windows, first go to sounds, video and game controllers, expand it, go to your sound, video, game controller driver which you want your speaker issues. Right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your sound related driver and thereafter go to audio inputs and outputs driver section, expand it and same process, right click on it, choose update driver. And how do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. After that, restart your system and check your sound issue resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. From the right side, scroll down and you will find the option troubleshoot. Click on it. Here choose other troubleshooters and here run audio troubleshoot. This is a very important tools for every Windows system, or it will not only detect the issue, resolve accordingly. So run audio troubleshoot in your system. Hopefully your issue will definitely be resolved.